Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Before we get into today's video and I'll show you this trowel, I just want to say that YouTube is showing me that 86% of my viewers aren't subscribed. So if you do enjoy the videos I make, please do think about subscribing down below. It massively helps out what I do on this channel. With that being said, let's get ready with the unboxing. As you can most probably tell, this is not your average bricklaying trowel, no, far from it. This is a chrome plated, laser etched trowel. It is a 10-inch London pattern from Marshalltown. As you can see on the front, it says Marshalltown and all the embellishment on the front, looking very decorative. This is not designed for day-to-day use, although it could be used for day-to-day use. It is essentially just a London pattern trowel, like I said, chrome plated with the laser etching on there. So you could use it day-to-day, but it's not advised. It's more designed, let's say, towards giving to a retired bricklayer after a number of years on the trowel, as just sort of something you'd hang over your mantelpiece, or a topping out ceremony. If a company's building a house for you and you get the roof on, this could be awarded as a topping out ceremony, or also perhaps for something like a skill build or a competition, a bricklaying competition anyway. This could be given out to the first place, obviously put on a plaque, something again that you could hang above your mantelpiece. But it is something that I saw and I thought I would love to have a little look at that. So I'd like to say a big thank you to Rodian Group for sending me over this, and also a big thank you to Marshalltown for letting me borrow this. This is not something I'm going to keep. I have to send this back, unfortunately. But this is, yeah, a big thank you to you guys for sending this over and letting me have a review of this. But it's a beautiful trowel, and I'll tell you what, hopefully one day I could have one of these hanging above my mantelpiece. If you are actually interested in buying one of these, then I will leave a link down below. I will also leave a link to the Rodian Group and also to Marshalltown, so you can go and check out their sites as well. They sell some fantastic bricklaying equipment, so yeah, you can go and check them out. But the links will be down below. I must say, holding this 10-inch London pattern trowel, I'm used to a Philadelphia pattern, which is a lot wider at the bottom. This feels very, very nice, very well balanced in the hand. I could easily see myself laying bricks with this. And if you are a pick and dip method user, then I would highly suggest, maybe not the ceremonial trowel itself, but the 10-inch London pattern is a very, very good size for the old pick and dip method. So hopefully you've enjoyed this little review of the Marshalltown 10-inch London pattern ceremonial trowel. And we'll leave it there for today. So if you have enjoyed this video, please do leave a like down below. Subscribe if you aren't already. Ring that notification bell to be notified every time I upload a video. Remember, bricks laid, wages paid. And I will see you all in the next one. So take care. I'll see you then. Ta-ra.